Hey everyone, welcome back to BTech. Let me ask you something. How many times have you needed a professional poster, whether it's for a product, an event, or social media, but didn't have the time, money, or design skills to make it happen? But what if you could create a stunning poster in seconds? That's exactly what Dreamina does. It's a next-generation poster creator equipped with the C-Dream 3.0 model. One of the best things about Dreamina is that you get free daily credits. You can also upload your own image and use it to generate posters. For example, as you can see, there's a plus button here where you can upload an image. I'll upload this juice bottle because I want to create a poster for it. After selecting the photo, it asks what you'd like to reference. Options include custom, character, human face, object, or outline. I'll select object. You can zoom in, check the selection, and erase any unnecessary parts. Then enter a prompt to generate the poster. For example, I'll type poster with apple slices and fresh red apples. Then you can choose the aspect ratio, such as 1:1 or 3:2, and hit enter. It will instantly generate 4 different posters. As you can see, the designs look beautiful, and you can simply choose the one you like the most. You can also edit any poster with options like upscale, retouch, expand, or in-paint. If you click on Edit on Canvas, you'll get even more options, including in-paint, remove, retouch, HD upscale, or remove background. If you click Regenerate, it will create new variations of your posters, giving you plenty of options to choose from. Once you're satisfied, just click Download to save the poster to your PC. And the best part, apart from uploading images, you can also generate posters entirely from a text prompt. Imagine you're launching a new skincare product. Normally, you'd need a studio photo shoot, but with Dreamina, all you need is a text description. I'll type luxury skincare bottle on marble counter, soft golden lighting, premium branding look. After entering the prompt, the next step is choosing what you want to create. Then, you'll select the model you want to use, such as Image 3.1, Image 3.0, Image 2.0 Pro, and others. Once the model is set, you can pick the aspect ratio, like 16:9, 9:16, 1:1. Finally, just hit the Generate button and your creation will be ready in seconds. Dreamina delivers multiple polished poster variations. The best part? It keeps your product details exactly as they are. No weird distortions, no messy edits. From there, you can upscale, retouch, in-paint, expand, or remove any part of your design. Basically, full creative freedom with just a few clicks. Your product stays intact. Now let's make it our own. You can upload your brand logo and add text like 50% off. Now let's take a look at the image-to-image feature. With this option, you can upload any reference image and Dreamina will generate a poster based on that picture. For example, here, I upload this photo. What's even better is that you can add more references, such as edge, depth, or pose, to refine the result even further. Hit the Generate button and instantly you can see the poster created from it. Dreamina transforms your input into a polished poster. Let's generate another poster together. This time, I'm going to create a fresh organic juice bottle with splashing water and fruits around it in a bright summer theme. I'll hit enter. And here we go. You can see the result. Absolutely stunning. And here's the cool part. You can even add the brand name directly in the prompt so your product poster looks complete right away. To show you another example, let's upload a simple image of an orange juice bottle. After hitting Generate, the tool creates a professional-looking poster directly from that reference image. It's quick, easy, and super creative. How cool is that? Dreamina keeps every detail of your product exactly as it is while enhancing the background, lighting, and layout to make it more eye-catching. And once your poster is ready, you can instantly download it in your preferred format. PNG for high-quality transparent backgrounds or JPG for quick uploads. The best part? Posters are generated in just seconds, and you also get free daily edits for content creation. That means whether you're designing product posters, event promotions, seasonal campaigns like Christmas or Black Friday, or marketing visuals for ad campaigns, Dreamina has you covered. It's also perfect for e-commerce banners on Amazon, Shopify, or even social media covers for Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube. Imagine turning your poster into a dynamic 10-second TikTok ad, an Instagram reel, or even a YouTube intro, all without needing complex editing software. So whether you're a marketer, small business owner, content creator, or designer, Dreamina makes poster and ad creation effortless. With AI-powered tools, quick edits, and animation options, you'll have professional quality visuals ready to go in no time. Click the link in the description to try Dreamina for free today. You get free daily credits so you can start experimenting right away. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what kind of posters you'll be creating with Dreamina. I'd love to check them out.